Hi guys, today I've got an easy space bun hairstyle in under 2 minutes. To start, divide the hair in half and clip away the right hand side for later. Then I'm going to apply some wax spray to smooth out any flyaways and brush the hair into a high ponytail. Secure this with an elastic band and then simply repeat the same ponytail on the opposite side. Then I'm going to add some texture and volume powder all over the ponytails. I'll pop everything that I use in the description below. Split the ponytail in half and loosely wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Secure at the end with an elastic band. And then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull that twist to make it more voluminous. Then we're simply going to wrap that twist around the base of the ponytail, covering the elastic band and tucking the ends underneath. Then secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So create your twist, pinch and pull for more fullness, and wrap that twist around the elastic band, tucking the ends underneath. Then secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.